What's up, everybody? It's Mr. P again. It is Wednesday, October 28th, and I'm just coming at you guys with our next installation of physical science. So we're still in Unit 1, Investigation 3, excuse me, 3.4, and really this is just a sort of a summary activity for the investigation. So there's really only two things that are going along with the investigation. So I tacked on actually an old quiz. I mentioned we're sort of getting towards wrapping this up, but I didn't really give you guys any warning, and we're getting a bunch of stuff made up for the end of the market period. So we'll keep the quiz next week, and we'll start off the next marking period. So warm up, just asking the differences between continuous model, particle model. Again, one thing, remember that throughout this investigation, there was a ton of resources and different readings and videos in the different activities. So like that question, I would take a look at activity 1 if I can't necessarily remember. Okay, or activity 2 got into that as well. All right, there's an interactive timeline here. And, I would take some notes on this if you haven't already, just because it's going over, again, here's the difference between your continuous model of matter versus your particle model of matter. And we're going to continue to add to this as we get into investigation 4. But just have an idea of how long ago, we're looking at dates 500 BC, 400 BC, so we're talking about 2,500 years ago or so, roughly. So take a look at that, and if you are writing stuff down along at home, I would make sure that you keep maybe a page or two open just to go over that timeline. Because like I said, as we get to investigation 4, it's going to become more complicated. Not more complicated, but more detailed, I should say. And then from there is, like I said, an old quiz that we've taken. Early next week, I want to add some. I have another little simulation activity I want to plug in Monday and Tuesday. And then we'll be looking at our quiz at the end of next week. All right, so as always, any questions you have, please shoot them to me on Schoology. And I will talk to you guys next time.